guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to report a Telegram user. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app. Then after opening, look for the user you want to report. Then tap on their profile for a while. Over here you can see the three-dot icon. There you can only see mark as unread, clear history, block user or archive, but you want to report it, so go to their inbox. Then after there you can see the option of three-dot icon on your top right corner. Then tap on report. Then after here you can see tap on report and report the issues you are facing. I don't like child abuse, violence, illegal goods, terrorism, scam, copyright. Tap on any of it. Then tap on, they'll give you the option of what is it. Then tap on it. Then add a comment and tap on send report. Then your report will be sent, and like this you can report the person you want to report. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more